Once upon a time, there was a lovely princess. But she had an enchantment upon her of a fearful sort, which could only be broken by love's first kiss. She was locked away in a castle, guarded by a terrible fire-breathing dragon. Many brave knights had attempted to free her from this dreadful prison, but none prevailed. She waited in the dragon's keep, in the highest room of the tallest tower, for her true love and true love's first kiss. Like that's ever gonna happen.
Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed. 1 winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Breakfast? Maybe I should have had breakfast. A little brekkie could be good for me. No, stay focused. Speed. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
You there, Ogre!
Aye?
By the order of Lord Farquaad, I am authorized to place you both under arrest and transport you to a designated resettlement facility.
Oh, really? You in what army?
Can I say something to you? Listen, you was really something back there. Incredible.
Are you talking to... me?
Yes, I was talking to you. Can I just tell you that you was really great back there, man? Those guards, they thought they was all of that. Then you showed up and bam! They was tripping over themselves like babes in the woods. See that? That really made me feel good to see that.
Oh, that's great. Really?
Man, it's good to be free.
Now, why don't you go celebrate your freedom with your own friends?
But, I don't have any friends. And I'm not going out there by myself. Hey, wait a minute, I got a great idea. I'll stick with you.
Morning, Sleeping Beauty. Boy, I was wondering when you was gonna wake up.
Take whatever you want. Just don't hurt me. A parking boot? Why do I have a parking boot on? What's going on here, please?
You're funny. I like you already. My name's Mater.
Mater?
Yeah, like Tuh Mater, but without the tuh. What's your name?
You don't know my name?
No, I know your name. Is your name Mater too?
What? Look, I need to get to California as fast as possible. Where am I?
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs, the cutest little town in Carburetor County.
Oh, great. Just great.
Well, if you think that's great, you should see the rest of the town.
You know, I'd love to see the rest of the town. So if you could just open the gate, take this boot off, you and me, we go cruise and check out the local scene, you know?
Dad, come!
How'd that be, Tomato?
Cool!
Mater! What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not to.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this delinquent road hazard to traffic court.
We'll talk later, Mater. Later, Mater. That's funny.
Well, that seems to have a problem with me. People take one look at me and go, ah, help, run! A big, stupid, ugly ogre. They judge me before they even know. That's why I'm better off alone.
You know what? When we met, I didn't think you were just a big stupid ugly ogre.
I know.
It's not just a race. We're talking about the Piston Cup. I've been dreaming about it my whole life. I'll be the first rookie in history ever to win it. And when I do, we're talking big new sponsor with private helicopters, no more medicated bumper ointment, no more rusty old cars.
What's wrong with rusty old cars?
Oh, I don't mean you, Mater. I mean other old cars. You know, not like you. I like you.
It's okay, buddy. Hey, you think maybe one day I can get a ride in one of them helicopters? I mean, I've always wanted to ride in one of them fancy helicopters.
Yeah, sure.
You mean it?
Oh, yeah, anything you say.
I knew it. I knowed I made a good choice.
In what?
My best friend.
Hey! Isn't we supposed to be having a fiesta?
Show. Hear them, they're